2 साल तक, और सबको एक साथ में बांध के किया। ऐसे और प्रेसिडेंट श्री नरेश भाई परीख ये इस कलेक्शन का more than 2 lakh. I request Nuruddin bhai, Shirish bhai and Vasuji and Hemant bhai, Hina ben, all of the dignitaries should इनको फेलिसिटेट करे। उन्होंने काम भी किया तन से, मन से, धन से।
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request Dr. Acharya to read biodata of our आज के जो हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर है।
Manufacturing of industrial hardware and electrical items. Mr. Bhupat C. Walia is not only a good businessman, but he is also a well-known social worker. He believes in Gupta Dan. He is associated with Kapol Samaj social group of Andheri and taking very active part in their activities. He is an ideal social worker and philanthropist. We express our gratitude and thanks for accepting our invitation as a guest of honor for today's program and supporting our activities. Thank you.
I request Shri Bhupat bhai to give 2 words of advice. Bhupat bhai, બે શબ્દ નહીં? Okay. No message. Now there are some messages. I request doctor to read it.
World Chairman Sri Nana Chudasama, Giants International. He has sent a message. I am happy to know that the Giants Group of Juhu, one of our senior Giants groups and Giants of Juhu Charity Trust, is celebrating its 40th year of dedicated services on 15th of December 2013. And on this day are having a fundraising drive for its charity activities. I congratulate all the trustees and members of Giants Group of Juhu for successfully completing 40 years of dedicated service under the Giants banner of mankind. I wish the fundraising program come anniversary celebrations all the success. Thank you. Saina NC. She also sent a message, Executive World Chairperson, Giants International. It gives me great pleasure to know that one of our senior Giants Group of Juhu and their Charity Trust, is celebrating its 40th year of dedicated service and commemorating this occasion by having a fundraising program on 15th of December 2013 in Mumbai. First, I wish to compliment all the members of Giants who are truly doing service activities for society since last 40 years and has become one of the star Giants groups. I am confident that the group will continue to serve the underprivileged with the same zeal and enthusiasm in the future and will celebrate its golden jubilee year under this Giants banner. I wish the fundraising program all the success. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Acharya. Now we have one more formality, that is our new president, incoming president, Shri Aman Mohanjal ji and his team to come here the dais. Okay, I'll read out the name. Please come on the stage immediately. Sorry. Bhadresh bhai, Shobhana ben, Kalyani ben, board member, then chairpersons Kishori ben Sheth, Panna ben Shah, Nimu ben Khatewala, Harin Isha,
Giants Group of Juhu. I promise that I shall carry out my duties as board member. I pledge my allegiance to the Giants Constitution and prayer and its affiliation to the Giants International. I undertake that I shall actively assist the President and along with other members of the board shall collectively work towards achieving the aims and objects of the organization and its goals of the year. I shall endeavor to promote fellowship amongst the members of this group and shall keep them devoted to the Giants movement. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Now I request Aman Munjal. As incoming president, I request our Federation President Vasu Vasundhana ji for oath ceremony.
Mr. President, you know your full responsibility. You have been told what you are supposed to do as a president, right? Please raise your right hand and please repeat after me. I accept to be the president of Giant Group of Juhu. I promise that I shall carry out my duties and responsibilities as president. I pledge my allegiance to the Constitution and prayer of Giants International. I undertake to strive my best towards achieving the aims and objects of this organization and its goals of the year. I shall do my best in every respect to guide the working of this group and its progress and development. I shall endeavor to promote fellowship amongst the members of the group and shall keep them devoted to the Giants movement. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Now you all can go. I request
Mr. Naresh Bhai to hand.
Just take it. Yeah, just here. Yes, only that's, yeah.
Amalji, it is a tough job for you now. Huh? After Naresh bhai, I have experience before certain years. 2 साल काम करने के बाद मेरी turn आई थी in the same position as you are.
This group of Jew group have kept so faith on me, given so much love, and trusted and imposed so much faith in me. And unopposed, they have selected me as the president of this group. I accept this responsibility and I ensure all the dignitaries from Giant International, whatever plans, policies you will be making, we will follow it up to your expectation or rather more than that. Secondly, our group has adopted one Balwadi, which is a village parley, which is catering to the slum children. So, that needs some improvement. So I promise we will bring some improvement in the children as well as teachers in this Balwadi. And our Bhagat, he wants that it to be developed in a big school, so we will endeavor to do something. higher. What more I can say? Whatever possible for me, dhan se, man se, dhan se, I will do it.
Please Deepak bhai and Neha Ben, they have done a very good comparing for our this and they have मेरा जो काम था वो बहुत आसान कर दिया वो. Now finally just in a 1 minute by giving vote of thanks to all our donors. Please, we are ending.
Friends, ladies and gentlemen, the program is not over as yet. We are going to still enjoy some more music and invited guests, dignitaries of Giants International, past president of our group and trustees of Giants of Charity, Jew Charity Trust. Our advertisers who, at our request, booked up a space in the Pavilion. Member of Swar Lahari Orchestra by Mukta Kothari, who delighted the audience with today's program. The management and the staff of RD National College for providing necessary arrangements.